brand spanking new Ford F-150. And we're taking the mirror off. Not too hard. Pop this guy off. Pop these two to reveal these guys. You got one here behind this harness. 10, 10, 10. And let's unplug this guy. And actually, it's kind of easy because if you pull on it, you can turn it and see what you're unplugging. Push down and pop out. Push in and pop out. Now let's get these guys off and make sure it's the right way. OMG. You gotta hold it. There's no holder. Technically this is a holder, but this puppy is so heavy. Use your other hand as you take it off. So you got one hand here as you pull the last bolt out, which fell here. So you have it. Two black ones, two silver ones. You put it back the same way. See, put one on first. Because that little hook thing, yeah, that thing's not worth a damn, and I wouldn't rely on that to keep this. Who knows how much this mirror is? 500 maybe, 600. It's got the blind spot in it. I'm sure it's got the blinker and the camera. It's got the camera on the bottom too, you saw. So put these guys back, and there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.